श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। हरि ओम, a warm welcome. After all the people who came from Ayodhya and Mithila Nagari, when all of them left, then finally we saw Bida Keenhi Sanamani Nishadu Chalevu Hridaya Bada Biraha Bishadu. Nishadraj also took leave as per Puja Ramchandraji's instructions. He also departed with a heavy heart, of course, naturally. Kola kirata bhilla banachari phere phire johari johari. Even the kolas, kiratas, billas, all those tribal people, they also took leave again and again, doing pranams at the feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji. Then what happened? We will continue with the 321st Chaupai. प्रभु सिय लखन बैठी बड़ छाही, प्रिय परिजन वियोग बिलखाही। भरत सनेह सुभावु सुबानी, प्रिया अनुज सन कहत बखानी। प्रीति प्रतीति बचन मन करनी, श्रीमुख राम प्रेम बस बरनी। तेहि अवसर खग मृग जल मीना, चित्रकूट चर अचर मलीना। विबुध बिलोकी दशा रघुबर की, बरषि सुमन कहि गति घर घर की। प्रभु प्रणाम करि दीन भरोसो, चले मुदित मन डर न करोसो। सानुज सिय समेत प्रभु, राजत परन कुटीर। भगति ज्ञानु बैराग्य जनु, सोहत धरे शरीर। प्रभु सिय लखन बैठी बड़ छाही, प्रिय परिजन वियोग बिलखाही। After that, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, Lakshman ji sat down under the shade of the banyan tree, and then they also grieved over the separation from all their near and dear ones. Priya Parijana, Bhagat Saneha Subhavu Subani, Priya Anujasana Kahata Bakhani. The affection, the love, the beautiful disposition, and the polite speech of Bharata. Ramchandra ji describes his beloved spouse Sita ji and to his younger brother, and how Preeti Pratiti Bachana Manakarani, Shri Mukharama Prema Basabarani, with his own Shri Mukha, overpowered by love, Ramchandra ji extolled Bharat ji's guna, which is so loving, so caring in Bachana Manakarani, in thought, word and deed. That Ramchandra ji himself praised, speaking to Sita ji and Lakshman ji. Tehi avasara khaga mriga jalamina, chitrakuta chara achara malina. At the same time, the birds, the animals, the fish in water, all of them, all animate, chitrakuta chara achara malina. All of the creatures felt very sad. They were very moved, seeing the departure of all of them, and also the pain that Ramchandra ji, Sita ji and Lakshman ji experienced. Bibudha biloki dasa raghubar ki, barashi suman kahi gati ghar ghar ki. The gods, celestial beings, when they saw the condition of Rama's heart, they rained down flowers for inspiration and told him what has been happening, and to inspire him, and also told him that all good will happen. Prabhu pranamu kari dina barosa. The Lord made namaskaras to all of them and reassured them. What? We will take care, don't worry. See, why so much these celestial beings were worried? Because, see, as of now, what is happening? Ravana has taken control of all of them. Indra was made the watchman at the gate. So daily he has to go and work. Brahmaji was the priest. So he has to go do puja, stand for dakshina, etc., etc. Varuna was sweeping the place. Like that, everybody, all the Navagrahas were under their control. Therefore, even the celestial beings who were also under the control of Ravana were undergoing lot of pain. That is why they are so worried. They somehow want Rama to go there, kill that Ravana and be free. Therefore, no wonder so much of worries are there in Devatas. Chale mudita mana darana karo so. And they also returned, glad at heart that all went well. And with least fear in the mind. Why? Because now things will happen. Now Ramchandraji is going to go. सानुजसीय समेत प्रभु राजत परन कुटीर. Then afterwards, Sanujasiya Sameta Prabhu, Bhagavan Ramchandraji along with Sanuja, Lakshmana and Sita ji, Rajata Parana Kutira, they were there in that Parana Kutira and they were shining with lot of love and affection. Bhagati Gyanu Bairagya Janu Sohata Dhare Sarira. It seems as though bhakti, devotion, jnana, wisdom, and vairagya, dispassion. Bhakti, Sita ji, jnana, Ramchandraji, and vairagya, Lakshman ji, sohata dhare sarira. They were actually the personifications of all the three. And it was such a wonderful sight to behold. Now, we will see what is happening. Camera turns according to our way of expression. Muni Mahi Suragura Bharata Bhuvalu Rama Biraha Sabu Saju Bihalu Prabhu Guna Grama Ganata Manamahi Sab Chupa Chapa Chale Magajahi Jamuna Utari Parasabu Bhayavu Soba Sarubinu Bojana Gayavu Utari Deva Saridu Sarabasu Rama Sakha Sabakina Supasu Sai Utari Gomati Naye चौथे दिवस अवधपुर आये जनकुरहि पुर बासर चारी राजकाज सब साज संभारी सौंपी सचिव गुर भरत ही राजू तेरहुति चले साजी सबु साजू नगर नारी नर गुर सिखमानी बसे सुखे न राम रजधानी राम दरस लगी लोग सब करत नेम उपबास तजि तजि भूषण भोग सुख जियत अवधि की आस. Now these people are traveling on their return to Ayodhya. Muni Mahi Suragura Bharata Bhuvalu. Muni, sages. Mahisura, Brahmanas. Gura, sage, Vashishta ji, Bharat ji, and Bhuvalu, Janakaraja. All of them are returning. Rama Birahi Sabu Saju Bihalu. Oh, all of them, the whole retinue, all of them were mentally disturbed. On again separation from Rama for the second time, naturally they were all very disturbed. Prabhu guna grama ganata manamahi sab chupa chapa chale magajahi. All the time remembering all that beautifully happened in their trip as well as with Ramchandra ji, and sab chupa chapa chale, everybody quietly walked, and so silently they all walked back, only remembering Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji. Jamuna utari parasabu bhayavu soba sarubinu bhojana gayavu. Now crossing the Yamuna river, everyone reached on the other bank. Soba sarubinu bhojana gayavu. Then the day passed, and then in their moving, returning, none of them had any food. They only walked back. Utari devasari dusara basu Rama sakha sabakini supasu. The next halt was made at the shores of Ganga Nadi, and at Shringaveripura, where Ramasakha Nishadaraja Guha, Sabakin Hisupasu, he made all the arrangements for all of them to stay and then to move forward. Sai utari Gomati nahaye, chauthe divasa avadhapura aaye. Tulsidasi, now he was also not in a mood to speak anything because Ramchandraji has been left behind and then these people have come back and everybody in sorrow. Therefore, instead of wasting lot of chaupais, sir, within 4 days he brought them back. Within 4 chaupais also he brought them back. Sai Utari, Sai is one river we saw earlier also while they were onward journey, and Gomati, of both the places they all took bath, and Chauthe Devasa Avadhapura aaye, and reached Ayodhya on the 4th day. Janakurahe Pura Basarachari Rajakaja Sabasaja Sambhari. Janak Maharaj, he stayed in the capital Ayodhya for 4 days, and then he also guided Bharata, Shatrughna and other ministers, etc., and took care of the administration and guidance how to administer. So, and then he proceeded back to Janakpuri. Saumpi Sachiva Gura Bharata Hiraju Terahuti Chale Saji Sabu Saju. He returned to his capital, Mithila Nagari, Tirahuta. But before that, he made sure entrusting the reins of the government to the ministers, Sachiva Sampi, Guru Bharata Hiraju, the Guru Vasishtha and Bharata gave them appropriate instructions how to rule, or rather, in fact, how to run the show until Ramchandraji comes back. Nagara Nari Nara Gura Sikhamani, Base Sukhena Rama Rajadhani. And following their his advice, the men and women of the city also settled themselves in their own respective places in Ayodhya. Ramadarasala Giloga Sabha Karatanema Upabasa. All the people to see Rama again after 14 years, they all took up lot of vows, austerities, penance in their own little way. May not be serious penance like how Bharata will now take up after now, or the way Ramchandraji is taking, but in their own little way, they all took lot of vows. How? Taji taji bhushana bhoga sukha jiyata avadhiki asa. Tajita, they gave up all Vaibhava, discarding all their personal ornaments, beautiful attires and all that, topi, vagera, all that they gave, they lived with simple dress. And even in their life also survived only with the hope of return of Ramchandraji, and lot of Ratha, etc., they were all taking up. See, this is very important. We also spoke yesterday. Parasparam bhavayantaha shreyaha paramavapsyata. Ramchandraji, Sitaji, Lakshmanji, they are in one type of penance. Bharatji, now we will see how deeply is his love for Rama and the depth of his penance also. And even the Nagaravasis, Naranari, even they also join in penance in their own little way, but with the thought of Bhagavan. Continuing, Sachiva Susevaka Bharata Prabodhe Nija Nija Kaja Pai Sikha Odhe Puni Sikha Dini Boli Laghu Bhai Saumpi Sakala Matup Sevakai Bhusura Boli Bharata Karajore Kari Pranamu Baya Binaya Nihore ऊंच नीच कारज भल पोचु आयसु देवन करब संकोचु परिजन पुरजन प्रजा बुलाए समाधानु करि सुबस बसाए सानु जगे गुर गेह बहोरी करि दंडबत कहत कर जोरी आयसु होई तरहं सनेमा बोले मुनितन पुलकी सपेमा समुझब कहब कह करब तुम जोई धर्म सारु जग होई सोई सुनि सिख पाई असीस बड़ी गनक बोली दिनु साधी सिंहासन प्रभु पादुका बैठारे निरुपाधी सचिव सेवक भरत प्रबोधे. Now Bharata, he instructed all the ministers and very trusty servants and all important people, responsible people, Nija Nija Kaja Pai Sikha Aye, gave them instructions, guidance, meaning what? Job specifications in our language. He gave them all the job specifications because it is very important. Otherwise, like today we see in the world, isn't it? What is that very off-quoted this one? Somebody, everybody, anybody, nobody. Somebody could have done the job. Everybody can do the job. Anybody could have taken up the job. But finally, nobody did the job. This is how it happens, isn't it? But here, all such problems is not there. Everybody were given job specification and proper guidance. Puni Sikha Dina Boli Laghubhai. Laghubhai Shatrughna, he called him and advised him. Very important. What is that? Sampi Sakala Matu Sevakai. He said, oh brother Shatrughna, now it is your responsibility to take care of the mothers. It is a very important responsibility. Why? All of them now don't have the support of Dasharatha. 1. 2. All of them are so pained. They have lost Dasharatha on one side, and even Ramchandra ji, Sita ji and Lakshman ji have moved away from the other side. Therefore, they are all in distress. Please take care of them properly. Serve the mothers to the best of the ability. He advised Shatrughna ji. Bhusura bholi bharata karajori kari pranama bhaya binaya nihori. Summoning all the Brahmanas, called all of them and made pranams to each and every one of them. Brahmanas, then Gurujana, all those are people who are very, very high in their thinking. Pranams, surrendering at their feet is an extremely important act. Therefore, Bharata very beautifully did pranams, joining his arms, Kari pranam, Bhaya binaya nihore, with all due courtesy and befitting to their status. Uncha neecha karaju bhala pochu, ayasu debana karaba sankochu. He says, please give me, charge me or depute all kinds of work that is required. There is nothing called high or low, good or indifferent, nothing like that. Please do not hesitate. Na karaba sankochu. Do not hesitate. Let me know everything. Parijana purajana praja bolai samadhanu kari subasa basai. He also sent for all his family people, citizens, other peoples, and setting their mind properly, giving them the right instructions, right guidance, and re-established that peace in them. Re-established peace in meaning what? He established that we will all work together. As a sadhana, we will work together until Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji comes back, let us all work together. Let us all pray for his early return. Then even people also seeing Bharata as this one, so happy they were. Sanuja ge gura geha bahori karidandavata kahata karajori. With folded arms, he did pranams. And along with Sanuja, along with Shatrughna, he then called on his preceptor Vasishtha ji, and Dirgha Danda Pranama with joint hands, he prostrated to the Guru. Ayasu hoyi tarahau sanema bole munitana pulaki sapema. He said, Ayasu hoyi, please, with your permission, I am now going to live a life of penance. I will live such a life of penance which is, appropriate to what Bhagavan Ramchandra ji, Sita ji, Lakshman ji are living. Bole Muni Tana Pulaki Sapema. Now Muni Vasishtha ji, with lots of love, lots of joy, Pulaki Tana, with thrilling, experience, he spoke to Bharata. Hey Bharata, Samujhaba kahaba karaba tuma joi, dharma saru jaga hoi soi. Whatever you think, whatever you do, everything becomes, or rather is, the very essence of dharma. You are a proper personification of dharma, and you are a reverential person in this world. Oh, there is a very beautiful shloka which says, Yadyada acharati shreshtaha tattadevetaro janaha sahayat pramanam kurute lokaha tadanuvartate. Very, very oft quoted shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Yadyad shreshta purushaha acharati tattadeva itaro janaha. All the other people also follow. Sahayat pramanam kurute. Whatever he establishes as pramana, lokaha tad anuvartate. World will just follow. Why? Tested. And from such a great Mahatma. Therefore, you are that Shreshta Purusha, and therefore, whatever you do becomes dharma. Suni se khapai asisa badi ganaka boli dinu sadhi. Hearing this advice from Vasishtha ji, receiving the greatest blessings, Bharata now next called all the astrologers, Ganaka, and all those people who to fix the day and the appropriate muhurta. Singhasana Prabhu Paduka Baithare Nirupadi. Then what he did, with all reverence, with all love, he took the Paduka in his head, went near the Simhasana, and the wooden sandals of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji was placed. And thus, in a way, Ramchandra ji was established there as the king of Ayodhya. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai. Great Bharata is so great that look at the joy in his mind when he placed the Padukas on the throne. He established Ramarajya there. Continuing. Rama Matu Gura Pada Sirunai Prabhu Pada Pithara Jaya Supai Nandigava Kari Parana Kutira Kina Nivasu Dhara Madhura Dhira Jeta Juta Sira Muni Patadhari Mahikhani Kusa Sathari Savari असन बसन बासन व्रत नेमा करत कठिन ऋषि धर्म सप्रेमा भूषण भसन भोग सुख भूरी मन तन बचन तजे नितिन तूरी अवध राजु सुर राजु सिहाई दशरथ धनु सुनि धन दु लजाई तेहि पुर बसत भरत बिनु रागा चंचरीक जिमि चंपक भागा रमा बिलासु राम अनुरागी तजत बमन जिमि जन बड़ भाई राम प्रेम बाजन भरतु बड़े नहि करतुति चातक हंस सराहियत टेक विवेक विभूति राम मातु गुर पद सिरुनाई प्रभु पद पीठ रजाय सुपाई bowing his head at the feet of Kaushalyaji Rama Matu and his preceptor Vashishtaji, Prabhupada Pitha Rajaya Supai, receiving permission from Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji by bowing at his sandals. Nandi Gavakari Parana Kutira Kini Nivasu Dharma Dhuradhira, and he went, if it is not very far, a few miles away from Ayodhya, he established a very beautiful Kutira, Parana Kutira, like how Ramchandraji has, lives in an established Parana Kutira, he also gets a beautiful Parana Kutira made in a place called Nandigrama. Very few, even today Nandigrama is very famous and very beautiful, and in fact those places, one must visit in their lifetime. At least once one must go, and it is not very far. He stayed there, which is about few miles away from Ayodhya, and there he would stay and conduct all his activities. जटाजूट सिर मुनि पटधारी महिखनि कुश साथरी सवारी. He came back, and then what did he do? He did not again take up, oh, now I am come back, so I will take up Rajya, Alankara, etc. No. He tied his matted lock, and then there at Nandigram, he dug the place, because he did not want to stay in the same level of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji. Therefore, he dug the place, and there kusha grass he would spread, and he would stay there. Mahikhani kusa sathari savari. What a devotion! What a commitment! Think. आसन बसन बासन व्रत नेमा करत कठिन ऋषि धर्म सप्रेमा. In food, in dress, in using the materials, observing the austerities, in everything he devotedly practiced, and with rigid, vows, very stern vows, no compromises, like all great hermits would stay. Bhushana basana bhoga sukha bhuri manatana bachana taje tinaturi. He disregarded in thought, word and deed, in its ultimate sense of the word, completely he disregarded all the pleasurable things and beings of the world. Completely. In the truest sense of the word. Even by thought. Avadha Raju Sura Raju Sihai Dasaratha Dhanu Suni Dhanadu Lajai. The sovereignty of Ayodhya. The way he administered Ayodhya. We should not say the way he ruled Ayodhya. He is not the ruler. So the way he administered Ayodhya, there was all kinds of prosperity that even Indra has always have such unworthy thoughts. He will always have jealousy. Even he was put to shame the way Bharata administered Ayodhya, and the way it rose, prosperity came. Even Kubera, the god of riches, even he was put to shame. तेहि पुर बसत भरत बिनुरागा चंचरी कजिमि चंपक भागा. The city of Ayodhya, which was far. Now Bharata is Nandigram. Bharata kept it aside. It was like it was dwelling with all prosperity, but Bharata was indifferent to all the prosperities, in the sense he did not get carried away. Look at that. Chanchari kajimi champaka bhaga. Otherwise we see bees running to the place where there is champaka flower to take the nectar, isn't it, the honey? Whereas Bharata remained completely away from all those luxuries of Ayodhya. Rama Bilasu Rama Anuragi Tajata Bamata Jimi Jana Bada Bhagi. He says, Tulsidas says, the blessed souls who are totally devoted to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, they naturally give up all these pleasure oriented stuff. They would vomit it like unwanted thing. And they will only be with the thoughts of the Lord. Gita says, Vishayan vinivartante niraharasya dehinaha rasavarjam rasopyasya parandrishtva nivartate. Once we understand the glory of Rama, once we are devoted to Rama, then all the pleasures will make no sense. Is it not? Rama prema bhajana bharatu badena ehi karatuti. As far as Bharata is concerned, he was a very beloved of Rama, and to him Rama was the beloved. Is it not? And therefore, to give up all these pleasures is not a surprise. Badena ehi karututi. It is not at all a surprise. It is only nature of Bharata. His greatness and his achievement in his tapascharya is such that giving up pleasure is not a very big thing. Chataka hamsa sarahiyata theka bibeka vibhuti. Just as Chataka bird is praised for its one pointed, concentration for the drop of water, and the Hamsa Pakshi, which is again praised for its ability to separate milk from water, Bharata is praised for his wonderful commitment, wonderful love for Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, and his ability to just give up all the pleasures of life. Continuing. देह दिनहु दिन दूबरी होई घटई तेज बलु मुख छबि सोई नित नव राम प्रेम पनु पीता बढ़त दरम दलु मनुन मलीना जिमि जलु निघटत सरद प्रकाशे विलसत बेत सबन जबिकासे समदम संजम नियम उपासा नखत भरत ही अबिमल आकाशा ध्रुव विश्वासु अवधि राखासी स्वामी सुरति सुरबीथि विकासी राम प्रेम विधु अचल अदोषा सहित समाज सोहनित चोखा भरत रहनि समुझनि करतूति भगति बिरति गुण बिमल विभूति बरनत सकल सुख बिसकुचाही शेष गणेश गिराग मुनाहि नित पूजत प्रभु पावनी प्रीति न हृदय समाति मागी मागी आय सुकरत राज काज बहु भाति देह दिनहु दिन दूभरि घोई. His body, became thinner and thinner and thinner day by day, emaciated day by day. Ghatai teju balu mukha chabisoi. His fat etc. was reduced, but Teja Balu, his brilliance, his strength, and the charm in his face remained the same or even grew more and more. Nita Navarama Pema Panupina Badata Dharamadalu Manu Namalina. The flame of love for Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji was always bright, extremely bright, and very strong, firm, assertive. Therefore, that love for Rama became fatter. That love for Rama became healthier, stronger, and even deeper. Bhadata Dharamadalu Manu Namalina. His virtues steadily grew, and the mind, now this is very important, the mind was not at all sad. It was extremely peaceful. No regrets, no suffering. It was extremely peaceful. Shanta Svabhava. He became. Jimi jaluni ghatata sarada prakase bilasata beta sabana jabikase. Even as the entry of autumn water came, actually speaking, the water and all started receding. Water, rivers and lakes, water started receding. However, the plants were living. The beautifully it would blossom. All the flowers would blossom beautifully. Bilasata betasa banaja bikase. All the lotuses blossomed. Samadama sanjamaniyama upasa nakhata bharata hi abhimala akasa. Now, Bharata was shining. Beautiful moon in the cloudless sky. Bharata was shining. How was he shining? Because of Sama, Dama, Sanjama, Niyama, Upasa. Sama, control of the mind. Dama, control of the senses. Sanyama, self-restraint. Niyama, religious observance of all, what do you call it as, austerities. And then Upasa, through fasting. Highest degree of penance. Nakhata bharata hi abhimala akasa. Dhruva biswasu avadhira akasi. Swami surati surabhithi bikasi. His faith on Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji stood like a pole star. And the very fact that Ramchandra ji would come back after 14 years gave him all strength. Swami surati surabhithi bikasi. While the thought of the Lord, made him so beautiful, bright. It was like, Milky Way. He was still brighter in a whole Milky Way. Rama pema biduva chala adosha sahita samaja sohanita choka. His affection towards Ramchandra ji, was like spotless sky with a beautiful bright moon. That was the heart space of Bharata. His heart space was so spotless, and the moon was his devotion to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, which constantly was shining. Bharata rahata samujhana karatuti bhagati bhirati guna vimala vibhuti. All the poets, they hesitated to even write about Bharatji because they felt ashamed. They did not find any words to write. Baranata sakala sakabi sakuchahi sesa ganesa girasa gamunahi. All of them, even Shesha Bhagavan with 1,000 mouth. Ganapati, Ganesha, Saraswati, even all of them could not find appropriate words to speak about Bharata. What to talk of Tulsidasi? He says, now how Bharata was living? Nita pujata prabhu pavari priti na hridaya samati. Nita puja. Every day he worshipped Bhagavan's sandals. One was there in the Rajya, on the throne. He also had one more for his altar, and daily he would pray. Daily he would do puja, and his overflowing affection itself could be the samagri. Magi magi aya sukharata rajakaja bahubhati. We people, unfortunately, we don't have so much of commitment and faith on Padukas. Therefore, we doubt all that. But Bharata was so strong, was so firm, that he would constantly go there, sit. He would refer to the Padukas. It seems Padukas would speak to him. Whenever he came across some issues, he would go and sit there and he would submit it to Ramchandraji, to the Padukas, and it seems Padukas would speak to him and clarify everything. Even Sitaji was in Ashokavana at Lanka. When Hanumanji took that ring to Sitaji, that ring, when she spoke to the ring would also speak to her, it seems. We will see it at that place. Raja Kaja Bahubhati, all the disposal of all the many affairs of the state was very beautifully done, consulting the Padukas. Now, the last chaupai of this kanda. पुलक गात ही असिय रघुबीरु जीह नाम जपलोचन नीरु लखन राम सिय कानन बसही भरतु भवन बसि तपतनु कसही दो दिसि समुझि कहत सबु लोगु सब विधि भरत सराहन जोगु सुनि व्रत नेम साधु सकुचाही देखि दशा मुनि राज लजाई परम पुनीत भरत आचरनु मधुर मंजु मुद मंगल करनु हरन कठिन कलि कलुष कलेसु महामोहनि सिदलन दिनेसु पाप पुंज कुंजर मृगराजु समन सकल संताप समाजु जनरंजन भंजन भव भारु राम सनेह सुधाकर सारु सिय राम प्रेम पीयूष पूरन होत जन मुन भरत को मुनि मन अगम जम नियम समदम विषम व्रत आचरत को दुख दाह दारिद दंभ दूषण सुजस मिस अपहरत को कलिकाल तुलसी से सठनि हटि राम सन मुख करत को भरत चरित करिने मुँह तुलसी जो सादर सुनहि सिय राम पद पेमु अवसि होई भवस रस बिरती पुलक गात ही सिय रघुबीरु जीह नाम जपलोचन नीरु. Bharatji's body was so thrilled with full of emotions while he was remembering in his heart full of Sita ji and Ramchandra ji. His tongue repeated Rama Nama constantly, continuously, and the tears would flow out of his eyes because of the thrill he had while taking the Rama Nama Japa. Ram, Ram, Ram. He would constantly chant. लखन राम सिय कानन बसही भरतु भवन बसि तपतनु कसही. Lakshmana, Ramchandraji, Sitaji dwelt in the forest in the same way with the same austerities. Bharata, he actually, the kind of penance was so severe that people wondered who is greater in penance, Ramchandraji is greater or Bharatji is greater. And finally, Bharat Bhavan Basita Patan Kasahi. And though this is Samuji Kahata Sabu Logu, all those people, Ramchandraji's life, Bharatji's life, they, saw both of them. Sababidi Bharata Sarahana Jogu. They decided Bharatji's penance was definitely praiseworthy. Ram se bada Ram ka naam, it is said, but now we may say Ram ke bada Ram ka das. Bharata. Sunibrata nema sadhu sakuchahi dekhi dasa muni rajas lajahi. The holy men, sages and saints, even they felt a little, abashed, a little inferior when they saw the severe penance of Bharatji and the sight of his condition put the sages into shame. Parama punita bharata acharanu madhura manju muda mangala karanu. Parama punita, absolutely pure, sanctifying story of Bhagavan, or rather Bharatji, it is so madhura, it is delightful. Manju, very charming. Mangala, it is, fountain of joy and blessings. Harana kathina kali kalusha kalesu. It will just drive away all sins and afflictions in this Kali Yuga. Mahamohani Sidalana Dinesu. And this beautiful sun, it disperses the night, the darkness of the night, because of his presence. The delusion is driven away, is thrown away because of the bright sun. Papa punja kunjara mrigaraju samana sakala santap samaju. Like a lion, one roar of the lion, all the herd of elephants run hither and thither. Similarly, one thought of Bharatji, all our wrongdoings, all our sins, all our wrong thoughts, everything will be vanished. Janaranjana bhanjana bhavabharu. Janaranjana. It is so delighting to the devotees. The one who reads Bharata's story, it is so delighting. Bhanjana bhavabharu. It will completely eradicate bhavabhanjana, the pain of transmigration, samsara dukkhaharana. Ramasaneha Sudhakara Saru. And the devotion to Rama which he has is like the beautiful bright moon in the blue sky without clouds. Siya Rama Prema Piyusha Purana Hota Janamuna Bharat Ko Muni Mana Agama Jama Niyama Samadama Bishama Brata Acharan Ko. Tulsidas says, if Bharata was not born in this world, who will teach us, who will show us, who will demonstrate us the nectar of devotion towards Rama? And who will also show us the path of removing all the atrocities of life, and then show us, teach us, demonstrate Jama, Niyama, Shama, Dama, Vishama, Vrata, Acharata. All these austerities of control of the mind, control of the senses, and all these, who else can teach us? It is only Bharatji. Even, it transcends the imagination of the sages and saints. दुख दाह दारिद दंभ दूषण सुजस मिस अपहरत को कलिकाल तुलसी से सठनि हटी राम सनमुख करत को. He says, who will have dispelled all these sins and, burning agony and the poverty of knowledge, hypocrisy, etc. It is only because of Bharata the world come to know what is virtues, what are virtues, and who in this Kali age can forcibly divert the mind towards Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji. He says, villain like Tulsidasa towards Ramchandra ji. Tulsidas, he considers Bharata himself as his guru. And then he says, Bharata charita karine mu तुलसी जो सादर सनहि सिय राम पद पेमु अवसि होई भवरस बिरति. Whoever reverentially heard the story of Bharata sincerely and with all regularity, strict regularity, shall definitely acquire devotion to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji and Sita ji and eradicate all attachments to the pleasures of life. With this, iti Srimad Ramacharita Manase Sakala Kali Kalusha Vidvamsane Dvitiyaha Sopanaha Samaptaha. With this, the second Sopana canto of Ramacharita Ayodhya Kanda comes to a conclusion. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai. Now, the next series will start on the 1st of August, where we will commence Aranya Kanda. Alright. And thank you so much for being with me all through this sadhana. We will now take the name of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji and meet again on the 1st of August. Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram. 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 Jaya Jaya Ram.